Have you ever wondered if you're actually choosing the right data center, or if you're about to overpay, miss something important, or lock yourself into the wrong solution? My name is Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly what Data Center Hunter is, what is a data center, and how we help businesses find, compare, and choose the right colocation solution the smart way. But before we get started, I'd like to ask for your help. Can you help me by subscribing to our channel? It's absolutely free, and it helps us grow our audience so that more viewers just like you can find the information they are looking for about data center services and solutions. As you know, this landscape can be very confusing at times, so my goal is to help simplify this technology and the selection process for as many viewers as possible. Now let's get right into it. A lot of people hear the term data center, but they are not always fully clear on what it means. A data center is a secure facility where critical business infrastructure runs. This is where servers, networking equipment, storage, power systems, cooling systems, and the physical security that protects important business operations all come together. In simple terms, it is the environment that helps keep your applications, systems, and data up and running. Now, most businesses do not want to build and maintain their own data center from scratch. That takes a lot of money, a lot of planning, and a lot of ongoing management. That is why many businesses use colocation. Colocation simply means placing your equipment inside a third-party data center that already has the power, cooling, connectivity, and security in place. Instead of building your own facility, you use space inside one that is already designed for that purpose. And while that sounds simple, choosing the right provider is not always simple at all. There are hundreds of facilities, different cities, different power levels, different pricing structures, and different technical requirements. So very quickly, what looks like a straightforward search can turn into a complicated and expensive decision. That is exactly why Data Center Hunter exists. Data Center Hunter is a free consulting and comparison platform that helps businesses simplify the process of finding the right data center and colocation provider. Our goal is to make it easier for you to understand your options, compare them clearly, and choose with confidence. Rather than spending weeks contacting providers one by one, gathering information from different places, and trying to compare everything yourself, Data Center Hunter gives you a clearer, more structured way to handle the process. We bring transparency to the market by providing access to comprehensive, up-to-date information on hundreds of facilities across the country. That way, businesses can compare specifications, pricing, and locations in one place, instead of trying to piece everything together manually. And just like other consulting-based comparison models, our role is to help you shop the market intelligently. We help you understand your options, narrow down what fits, and move toward the right solution with more clarity and less guesswork. So, how does it work? It starts with your requirements. You tell us what you need. Maybe it is a specific market, maybe it is a certain amount of power, maybe low latency matters, maybe compliance matters, or maybe you are still early in the process and just need help understanding what your best options even are. From there, we analyze the market and identify the facilities that best match your needs. That is where the process starts to become much more efficient, because instead of searching endlessly on your own, you are focused only on the options that actually make sense. Once the right options are narrowed down, we help you compare them properly. And that matters, because this is not just about finding available space. It is about finding the right fit for your performance goals, your security requirements, your growth plans, and your budget. That is where Data Center Hunter becomes especially valuable. We are not just helping you find a provider, we are helping you make a better decision. We also provide expert support throughout the process, so if you have questions, need help evaluating differences between options, and one of the best parts of all of this is that the service is completely free for businesses. You are not paying for the research, the comparisons, or the guidance. Data Center Hunter is compensated by data center providers. That means you get expert support without adding extra costs to the project. And that is exactly what Data Center Hunter is built for. If you are evaluating data center or colocation options now, the most important thing you can do is start with the right process. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button to help us get this information to as many viewers like you as possible. Also, if you found the video helpful or insightful, hit that like button right now. This is Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and I'll see you again in the next video.